guys, it's your boy JamarVlogs, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about a charitable cause that we're doing. So we've got some campaigns coming up on this channel where we're going to be starting to kind of branch our channel out to where we want it to be in terms of travel and giving back to others and communities and talking about social impacts and social differences that we can make together as a community around the world. Okay guys, so not just in Canada, not just in the UK, we're talking about global change. Alright guys, so what I need you guys to do is support my campaign. I've got 50% of my profits from this campaign is going to charitable cause, and it's to help save the koalas in Australia. It's to help them get recovery treatment. It's to help them be put in a rehabilitation center where they can actually reproduce as well, because they're at the verge of going extinct. So we're trying to stop them from going extinct. We want them to be able to rehabilitate and regenerate. Okay guys, so I need you guys to go. I'm going to be putting pictures in this video as I speak of all the products that are up for sale. I need you guys to go in the description below this video and pick a product that you guys like and contribute by purchasing one of these products, and we're going to be donating all 50% of the charitable profits towards a charity of our choice at the end of the campaign. So please guys, I'm going to be posting the pictures in this video. I'm also going to drop the link in the description below. Be sure that you guys go and support this cause because it's a very important cause. Okay guys, so now what I need you guys to do is like, comment, and share this video so that we can get as much people involved with this as possible. Guys, I'm only a small channel, I'm just starting to grow, so I need your help to share this video and get it across to other people. Okay guys, please do me that favor and share this video so that we can spread the word and get people donating by purchasing these items for themselves that they can wear proudly and show that they've supported the Australian community and the Australian wildlife. Okay guys, so thank you very much for watching. Thank you for those of you who choose to participate in my charitable cause, and thank you guys for supporting this channel and helping me grow. Alright guys, so remember, as I always say, wander, connect, innovate, and inspire guys. Alright, boom.